बाणस्तारी अपघात प्रकरणात फोंडेच्या जिल्हो आणि सत्र न्यायालयान ॲडव्होकेट अमित पालेकाराचो जामीन रद्द केला। बाणस्तारी गाडी अपघाता प्रकरणात ॲडव्होकेट अमित पालेकारान हायकोर्टान धाव घेतिल्ली। पळयात पुराय बातमी। बाणस्तारी अपघात प्रकरणात पालेकारान जामीन अटींचे नेम मोडल्या असो ताचेर आरोप आसा। न्यायालयान ताका फ्रांसाक भेट दिवपाची परवानगी दिल्ली, पूण थंयसावन तो आनीक कांय देशांनी गेलो। अशें करून ताणें जामीन अटी मोडल्यात अशें म्हणत जामीन रद्द करपा खातीर सीबीन अर्ज दाखल केल्लो।
We had sought to cancel his bail, which has been granted by the Honorable Court. One of the conditions was imposed on him that he should not leave country without permission of the court, which he had breached. He had travelled, besides France, he had travelled four more countries without permission of the court, which we had brought to the court, and court was pleased to grant or restriction cancelling his bail.
But it seems to he had asked for permission that he is going out of India.
But it was not blanket order as such.
Okay.
He had only sought permission to travel France country. And he has also given the details of the tickets which he is going to go and when he is going to come. So specific dates were mentioned. And thereafter he travelled for other countries for which he has not obtained any permission. So we had brought it to the notice of the court that he has travelled without permission of the court. So court has been pleased to reject his application.
He had violated the condition.
Yes.
The return of the specific date
He had come back. But he has travelled some other country. For that he has not obtained any permission. Yes. After that, after visiting France, he has travelled 4 more countries, for which he has not obtained any permission. So we moved an application to cancel his bail.
So any chances of arrest again and clear that sir?
It is not mentioned in the order as such, but it will be as good as if it is cancelled, then
Can be arrested.
he can be arrested.
आज याकी झाले सर कंडिशन तुमचे घातलेले ते
Application is granted.
गोवा 365 खातीर कृष्णा नायक, जवाहर बर्वे आणि वैष्णवी साळगावकर।